morning and welcome to my channel. So today we're going on a little hike. So we changed plans because we couldn't find a way, my parents, you know. So we are in the new destination, but we're still gonna get some fresh air. We were supposed to go up there, but we couldn't find the road. But it's fine. It's so beautiful here. Fresh air, it's everything that I want today. It feels like summer. I have to say, I made a video about spring outfits and I was so excited to wear them, and then it's been cold ever since and I hated it. It was raining, it was cold. It was like warm for 2 days, I got excited, but then again cold. But today it's so pretty. It just feels like summer. And it's empty here today. The last time I was here was packed full, but I see like one family and us. I'm going to take some pictures. Here's the outfit. This is salt.
Blah blah. Blah blah.
So we just got back. Originally I have different plans. We were supposed to go on Cafe Greco, but on the way there I googled like how to get there, and well, my parents said that it's not that way and it was a different like road, but my mom was too scared on that road, so I got angry and told them just forget it and let's go to the sea caves, which still pretty. It wasn't the hike that I was thinking of going, but still we walk around. So it's a couple days later, and remember when I said I wanted to be warm? Yeah, I kind of manifested that because for the last 3 days it has been so hot. You can see by my oily face, my sweaty face, how hot it is. I closed the window to film it because you can hear it outside and I'm dying, I'm suffocating. Anyways, beside the weather today, I'm going to have fun. I'm gonna get some crepes with my friend. The thing that I live for is for crepes. When I was back in Thessaloniki, it was the most common thing I order. Here, there are not as many crepe places as in Greece, but there is one in center and hopefully it will be open. It's been a while since I've done anything fun with an eyeshadow and I wanted to do, but I forgot that it's hot, and makeup in summer here, two things that don't work together. As you can see, I have like for like a couple hours and it's oily bath. Also, I look like I have a pink eye.
It goes without saying, but you're my best friend, my second earth, with kisses like a song you so want. January had a summer sanctuary in our lips of bubbles. I feel you.
So now we went to Protaras because we were bored, and we're gonna walk around. Yay!
I don't know how I passed my driving license. That's something.
We came to the sea and we wanted to. We came by the sea and we wanted to get some drinks, but all of the shops are closed.
We do have one option.
What?
You know what Starbucks is? The other one.
It's closed, I'm telling you! I went like a week ago and it was closed.
Maybe today it's open. You don't
Yeah, they're open for one day.
People have weird schedules.
Anyways, we're gonna walk and we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Ah!
I don't have
Ah, we don't have food. You're so cute. It's so pretty. I want to swim.
I'm stopping you, jump.
I do not have a swim attire.
Do you think the shower thing works? Curiosity got to her.
No.
What was that?
I'm looking. I am.
Do I look cute sitting alone?
Look at them. No, they are spider web. We go.
So fucking
How to be sexy with Martina 101, okay?
That ain't not good advice at the beginning.
I'm also sure.
No shit. A bit more out the ass, not the leg. Yeah. There we go. Now pretend you're holding a drink. Like the one you didn't like, but you pay for it anyways.
Huh?
Like you buy a drink and you didn't even like it. There we go. Yeah, you can be the actress. Yeah, something.
We're investigating a closed hotel. I think it's just working. There's no way someone lives.
Oh fuck. I thought somebody's walking with us. Oops. Hey, she looked like me. Boy, it is me. Like
Adults only pool.
Adults only in the pool? Fine, I'm not going in.
Dude, you're an adult.
I can pretend I am.
Wow, look, pretty flowers.
What kind of adult? Oh, look at that. Imagine just having a cocktail and you I like it already. That is the grown up.
Do you want to take a swim?
It says no diving, so no.
Okay.
Oh, it's something moving.
What?
They look like the little fishies in there. Look what's like.
So we did that.
We didn't break anything, so we didn't break the law.
We just got lost.
Question. It'd be so cool. You just find money.
Wait, I have to do my lace again.
Here, let me go.
Oh. Friendship.
Yeah. Reaching my ass. That's alright. I like you touching it.
111.
No, it says bio carrots, smartass.
Ah. I don't
There.
know that.
69. Did I get it?
Take it.
I get it.
They sometimes have raspberries.
Yeah. Last time that blueberries like that was.
I want raspberries.
Yeah, good luck finding that.
Life is unfair.
I hit my head.
Can I have one?
Yeah, it says one, and you can see people opening it.
Okay. So we went to Lidl and got drinks, and I am tired now. My legs hurt.
Yeah, sure.
I walk a lot. Like it's. Look how many steps.
Barely go out, that's why.
How many steps that is?
You asking me? I
I don't know English.
Oh, it was 6,672.
6,006.
You want to hear the Greek version? Give me it. Is wait, fucker. Go ahead, Ella. 6673.
6673. 6,000 steps is a lot. My mom goes every week, every Sunday, and I get a free notice if I have a COVID or not. If my mom has it, I have it. If she doesn't, I don't. Logic. Being smart, not hard.
No, your dad stay home too.
Yeah.
Yeah, logic as well.
My cat loves that.
Why?
Because my dad's home.
Oh. The cat
My
is a
cat,
dead cat.
when my cat comes to me and cuddles, means that my dad
Pissed off with him.
No, it's doing something. Like he's not laying.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like he goes to the toilet, the cat show up out of nowhere.
Yeah, or he's cooking, cat here, cat on my legs. Then he hears my dad going to the bed, he's going to his room.
I like you, like I'm the second option.
Yeah. At least I'm not the third one, like my mom.
I don't think your mom is an animal person. She is, but it's just like, meh. Isn't she?
At first, she didn't want the dog,
Well, she got the dog anyways.
and she didn't want the cat.
The cat was there anyways.
But we got the cat, so... Hi! So we come here with my parents to see the sunset, but we're a bit too late. The sunset is already down and you can't really see it from here, but we have pretty statues and art to look at too. This is like a statue pathway and there's a lot of art here. It's in Ayanapa. Currently there's no one here, so I feel very at ease. And the other cool thing, except the art, is the sea. It has a beautiful sea view. My favorite piece of art though, it's a little bit down the road. This is it, a couch. Cold and it's windy, which is kind of nice, thinking how hot it was. So that's why I've changed to something longer, because it's a bit colder. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and comment under this video, and if you want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.